Niloloko mo lang yung sarili mo kung sasabihin mo na hindi ka nag-enjoy sa exhibition bouts ni Manny Pacquiao. Come on, no? Sasabihin mo sa akin hindi ka na-excite? Hindi ka kinabahan? Ha? Exhibition pa lang yan, ha? Pero tila marami pong mga fans pa rin ang nagsasabi na hindi na daw uubra si Manny Pacquiao kay Barrios at hindi na daw kaya ni Manny Pacquiao at hindi sila masaya sa performance. Alam mo, may sasabihin ako sa iyo dito sa video na ito at sasabihin ko sa iyo kung bakit mo sinasabi yan. Ito, mapapakamot ka sa dahilan at masasabi mo, ay, oo nga no.
Powercast Sports. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell.
Ito sa totoo lang, no, swerte nga si Manny Pacquiao, no? Pagbabalik niya, nagkaroon na kagad tayo ng additional world champion, si Pedro Tuduran, no? Pero eto, sagot ko to sa mga fans. After the fight, of course, marami po mga reaction ng mga tao. May positive, may negative. But let me tell you first, no? Napakasaya ng pagbabalik ni Manny Pacquiao kahit na exhibition niya. Talagang nabuhay at nagising ulit ang mga fans, no? At dito natin, naalala ko ulit, mas marami ang Pacquiao fans sa boxing fans. That's legit. Sobrang dami ng nanood ng laban dito sa Pilipinas. At syempre, while maraming natuwa, meron din naman mga hindi. At syempre, alam din na tapon po na ang kanyang pagbabalik sa pro. No, pero ito po ang isa po na ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo kanina. Pakinggan niyo to ha. Maraming mga fans or may mga fans na nagsasabi na hindi sila masaya sa performance ni Manny Pacquiao kasi daw kesyo hindi na pabaksak, kesyo hindi na ganong kabilis, kesyo hindi na ganong kalakas. Ano ba i-expect nyo? Manny Pacquiao is 45 years old. But, yan ang problema nyo. Alam nyo kung bakit ganyan kayo mag-isip? Sometimes, yung victory or yung kumbaga tinatawag nila, if you're a winner, sometimes it's a curse pag masyado kang magaling. And dahil masyado kang magaling, kagaya ni Manny Pacquiao, a Division World Champion, people always expect you to, kumbaga, naalala ko tuloy, hindi lang yung laban ang na-excite ako. Na-excite ako dahil laging knockout ang nangyari kay Manny Pacquiao. Naalala ko rin, and wag mo i-deny ito ha. Tuwing lumalaban si Manny Pacquiao, halos lahat ng Pilipino gusto lagi bugbugin, inakot yung kalaban. At tila pag hindi nabubugbog, kahit panalo pa si Manny Pacquiao, hindi masaya yung iba dyan. I think that's kind of the same feeling because of the high expectations of the Filipino for Manny Pacquiao. And I couldn't blame you for that. I understand where you're coming from. But that's at the same time, that's where you're wrong. Because hindi mo naiisip yung current situation right now. If you think of this, imagine a 45 years old against a 28 years old. No, baka pwede niya na maging anak yan eh. Di ba? Tapos, he stood there. Actually, there's some positive in explain ko sa inyo ha. Manny Pacquiao, especially in the first round, I would admit, I think Rocky Anpo probably won that one. Natamaan kaagad siya. And solid yun. Tama na tinanggap din ni Manny Pacquiao. But kinaya niya ba? Yes. I mean, kinabahan tayo, na-excite tayo? Of course, yes. But that's also a good sign that he can still take a punch against, 5'10", 5'11", 6-footer, however that height is, at ganun kalaki, tinanggap niya. Malamang, hindi lang yung 151 pounds itong si Rocky Anpo doon sa laban niya. Tinanggap niya, which is a good sign, which means he can still take a punch from a younger guy. Of course, sabi ng iba naman yung boxing, sir. But still, that's a good test. One test. Number two, no? We saw him in the third round and ang ganda ng mga combination. Malamang nagkalat na yung mga highlights. Ngayon mo lang napapansin yan. Ang ganda pa rin ng mga patama at yung mga slight ilag niya. Medyo nag-out of balance but that's considerably acceptable. Coming from a long layoff, ang tagal na hindi lumaban si Manny Pacquiao. Kaya naman minsan, of course, tayo kasi expectation natin high, it's not the same Manny Pacquiao. But that Manny Pacquiao is very much conditioned still for his age and I think, and magagalit yung iba dyan, I think pwede pa naman lumaban. Of course, it will be risky like what I've always been saying, but I think, and you should know that Manny Pacquiao prepared for an exhibition. He did not prepare for a professional fight. if it will be a professional fight, that will be a professional training, and it will be hard. I'm also thinking that Manny Pacquiao may not be, baka nga hindi tumodo si Manny Pacquiao dito eh. Diba? Feeling ko sa third round lang siya tumodo eh. And all I'm saying, guys, is that Manny Pacquiao deserves to have an exhibition. Ako, if it's me, I would rather have Manny Pacquiao fight Ryan Garcia. 'Di ba? Sinasabi ko, Ryan Garcia na lang, mas safe. Pero Manny Pacquiao knows his body, alam niya yung katawan niya, and I'm sure na Coach Buboy and yung team niya hindi siya pababayaan na lumaban basta-basta kung hindi niya kaya. And the way I saw it, it's not the same Manny Pacquiao. But, now that I'm, kumbaga, nire-review ko ulit siya, teka, may palag pa rin si Manny Pacquiao. Siyempre, actually, mas maganda yung katawan niya ngayon kaysa doon sa huling exhibition niya eh. But if he really fights as a pro, I'm sure his body will be better. At I think he could still fight. So, at the end of the day, it's just probably the high expectation. Kamot kayo, no? Panalo naman. Okay naman kahit papano against a bigger guy with that kind of preparation. Di ba? May mga guesting pa nga si Manny Pacquiao. Masyado kasi kayong nag-expect na seryoso yung laban. It's an exhibition bout. But we saw a glimpse of what Manny Pacquiao can do. So I'm not gonna be surprised if that fight happened with Mario Barrios. Again, I'm on the fence because I know if it's just money, I'll just do a lot of exhibition with popular guys. But if he wants another legacy and if he wants to fight, who can blame him? But let's stop that expectation. Manny Pacquiao is no longer in his prime. That's the truth. Manny Pacquiao is not the same as he was, but Manny Pacquiao can still fight. And that's the truth. And kung hindi niyo matanggap yan, problema niyo na yan. Basta ako, I saw a Manny Pacquiao at his age that can still compete against the young boxers. Actually, if you think of this, maraming bitin sa laban. Sabi nga nila, pag umabot yan ng round 4 or round 6 man lang, baka doon na mag-adapt lalo si Manny Pacquiao. Nabuti na lang, hindi siya ganun nasolidihan ni Anpo. Baka magalit pa yan baka totohanin niya yung knockout. That's just my opinion. Let me know what you think. Agree o hindi?